Welcome to our step-by-step guide on starting a business in the USA. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or someone looking to expand their operations, we've got you covered. First things first, you need to conduct thorough market research. Understand your target audience, analyze the competition, and identify any gaps in the market. Next, it's time to choose your business structure. Decide whether you want to be a sole proprietor, form a partnership, incorporate as an LLC, or establish a corporation. Now, let's talk about legal requirements. Register your business name and obtain the necessary permits and licenses. Don't forget to apply for an employer identification number. One crucial step is setting up your business finances. Open a business bank account and consider consulting with an accountant to ensure proper financial management. You can't ignore taxes. Familiarize yourself with federal, state, and local tax obligations. From income tax to sales tax, being compliant is essential for your business's success. Time to get insured. Protect your business with the right insurance policies. Consider general liability insurance, property insurance, and workers' compensation if you have employees. Now, let's dive into marketing and branding. Develop a strong online presence through a website and social media channels. Craft a compelling brand story that resonates with your target audience. Hiring the right team is crucial. Define job roles, interview potential candidates, and hire skilled individuals who align with your business goals and values. Lastly, never stop learning and evolving. Stay updated with industry trends, attend workshops, and network with professionals. Continuous learning is key for long-term success. Thanks for watching our step-by-step guide on starting a business in the USA. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.